Remember the days of declaring every component in an NgModule just to use it elsewhere. Angular standalone components eliminate that entire layer of complexity. A standalone component is marked with the standalone true flag in its component decorator. This single flag means the component no longer needs to be declared in any NgModule. You can use it directly without all that boilerplate. The Angular compiler handles everything behind the scenes. Instead of importing dependencies through a module, standalone components declare their own imports array right in the decorator. Need common module or another component? Just list it there. This also simplifies bootstrapping. You can bootstrap your entire application with a single component, no app module required. Call bootstrap application with your root component and you're done. The benefits are clear. Dramatically reduced boilerplate means less code to maintain. Lazy loading becomes trivial since each component is self-contained. And the mental model is simpler. Everything a component needs is right there in its decorator. Standalone components are Angular's answer to module fatigue. Self-contained, easy to bootstrap, and ready for modern development. Start using them today. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.